name is Shreya Niranjan, and currently I'm working with Publicis Sapient as the media analyst. So today I'm going to share my experience with Kaiser Academy. So after my MBA, I've decided to go with digital marketing. Then I got to know about Kaiser Academy from one of my friends. So I got enrolled here, and that was the best decision, as the mentors are here have provided me all the theoretical as well as practical knowledge, which I feel is very important to understand this field. And they have not only teach me but have also provided me the guidance through all my interview process till I got placed. So thank you so much Kaiser Academy for all the guidance and support. And at last, I would highly recommend, if you want to flourish in this field, you should go with Kaiser Academy without any second thought. Thank you.